Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a beautiful Chevelle, finished in Marina Blue, 396 big block, and just finished in the 9. I got Nikki here's gonna tell us a little bit about it. How we doing today, Nikki?
Doing fine, thanks, Mike.
God, bro, what a beautiful car.
Thank you.
You just put air in it, huh?
Air conditioned. I
Yep.
just redid the motor, cam, lifters,
Wow.
manifold, water pump, all new.
All brand new, huh?
All brand new.
Paint's pretty fresh too, right now?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Rainy, everything's fresh.
Wow. Love it. Nothing like a Chevelle finished in Marina Blue, man. It's my favorite. Beautiful, super straight body. It's a 4-speed. A little chilly here today, guys. Beautiful chrome paint, stainless. 12 bolt under there too, right?
12 bolt, 390 gears.
390 gears. It's a Posi unit?
Yep.
Man, gorgeous. This car is gorgeous. Power disc brakes up front. And the motor was just freshened up. Brand new air conditioning pump, polished unit. Edelbrock Reformer, polished intake. And you can see the gaskets are all fresh. So what'd you do to the motor? Just freshen it up?
Yeah, I didn't really sure what was done to the motor. The only thing I didn't know about was the motor when I did the car.
Yeah.
I did the whole car over. So I decided to rip the motor apart. We cam, lifters, water pump, distributor, manifold,
The whole thing, huh?
alternator.
Wow.
And I freshened it just to see what was going on inside the motor. Now I know everything's new.
Yeah. Well, it's a nice confidence to know everything's freshened up.
I know.
And he's even got T3 headlights on this thing. Man, Nick, you don't mess around. Big aluminum radiator. Headers. MSD wires, MSD ignition. Beautiful, God. Gorgeous. This will always be one of my favorite cars, 66 and 67. I like the bench too. Get your girl nice and snuggled up next to you. It's got seat belts all the way around. 4-speed, full gauge pack, custom stereo. It's got 25,562 miles on the odometer. Gorgeous. Air's brand new too, so for you guys in California and Arizona, this thing's ready to go. Car. Hey Nikki, can we go for a ride? Yeah, let's go for a ride. have to ask me twice. Man, I love this car. Great, man.
Thanks.
We got Flowmasters on there?
Yeah.
Dual chamber or 3-chamber?
I'm not
It's
sure.
like a dual in there.
I'm not sure.
Not overly loud. It's perfect. Just perfect. Here goes a fan.
All day long.
You bring your autograph book with you?
All day long.
That's beautiful. God. All new bushings and everything, huh?
All of the chassis, all the bushing, no suspension.
Wow.
It's a great car.
You must have a ton of money in this thing.
Right now, I'm sitting just about 60.
You got about 60 in it. Wow.
So I have all the bills.
All the
I have all the
receipts.
bills. The more I drive it around, the more I fall in love with it.
Me too. The air conditioning is a very nice addition.
He did a neat job. I mean, you don't even know it was done. Everybody says, "What do you mean? This is add-on?"
Yeah. You never know it. Such a gentleman's car, you know? It's like a gentleman's muscle car.
Go ride around all over with it. Take my wife out. I got it for her, the air conditioning for her.
You did?
I told her just open the vent windows, good enough. Or the vents on the bottom, good
Yeah.
enough.
Well, you're gonna keep the wife happy. Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah, if she even comes with me.
You better make her come now.
See. No way I'm telling her how much money I put into it. With the air conditioning, redoing the motor.
I won't tell her. Secret's safe.
I won't even put it on tape. She might hear the tape. Cigarette lighter works. Everything works. The trunk light works. Even the sprays for the...
Oh, the nozzles.
Yeah, they work.
Wow, I don't think I've ever seen those work.
Yeah. The only thing that doesn't work is the clock.
Oh, it's right twice a
didn't
day,
get it for
right?
that. The lights go on the clock.
Okay.
The lights up. I just didn't get into that yet.
We'll just come back at what? Was that 3:30, 3:40? We'll come back. It'll be right.
That's cheap. That's cheap.
Yeah, that is definitely cheap.
Pretty. It sounds pretty.
It really does.
It looks.
You got just two 6x9s back there for the radio?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's got the AM FM set down
CD. With the super tuner.
there. CD.
You're dating yourself. that too. Perfect.
You done with the car? You done?
Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's WeBeAutos.com. We do offer financing and worldwide shipping. Thanks a lot and have a great day.